Meaning of fenugreek.
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 Fenugreek. Fenugreek is an herb that is commonly used as a spice in Indian cuisine and as a supplement. It has a bitter taste and a strong aroma, and is known for its various health benefits. Fenugreek seeds contain a high amount of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar levels. They also contain various vitamins and minerals, such as iron and magnesium, which are important for overall health. Fenugreek supplements have been used for various purposes, including increasing milk production in breastfeeding mothers and enhancing exercise performance.